And the big question is, what happens next? The most likely answer is that a significant solar flare, perhaps not even as great as the Carrington event, will impact Earth in the coming years as our planet's magnetic field continues to weaken and will be enough to destroy the electrical age once and for all. A big enough solar storm means every copper wire melts, every grid is gone, many buildings burned down. There is no power, gasoline, ATMs, banks, grocery, refrigeration, natural gas, heat, AC, no water unless you have a manual well, no factories to rebuild, no vehicles to transport, no 911. With Earth's field weakening, this is by far the most likely candidate to begin the next level series of challenges. And when the internet is a memory, you'll have to watch the skies, the clouds, and the sun. You'll have to watch nature, the animals. The more you can recognize abnormal behavior, the better. Then again, you'll be growing and canning or foraging or hunting for your food, quite busy, and battling the elements like they did before time was time. Most of us will be in the same state as many of the creatures who depend on the field, completely lost, lucky to get where we need to go. This period could last for years. If the sunspot cycle delivers that blast to Earth, we could have a decade of surviving something between the Stone Age and the Bronze Age. But then one day, as the survivors are getting into a groove, those chemical changes on the sun will begin to manifest through to the visible wavelengths as the second horseman arrives, and the civility of all who are left is challenged, if not outright stolen. This will test people's will, their character, and their faith.
Instead of telling the world the Messiah is attacking Earth with solar wind, they're going to give the credit to Putin. But the Perfect Savior's gamma radiation creates solar wind, and it's green and purple. And the TV show Revolution says, when the radiation comes, if you don't have those nano angels in you, you're going to die. And on the TV show American Horror Story Season 8, they die. On the TV show American Horror Story Season 8, gamma radiation knocked out all electricity on Earth and it's killing people. And Satan is going around to the bunkers killing all the rich Illuminati people hiding from the gamma radiation. On the TV show Revolution, the gamma radiation knocked out the electricity. And if you don't have the nano angels, those little lights in you, you die from radiation poisoning. So 2 weeks ago, the gamma radiation solar wind knocked out the electricity in the southeast states and caused the gas shortage. But they blamed it on Putin's hackers, and his hacking company is called SolarWind. So they're going to give the credit to Putin. They're not going to tell you it's the Messiah. They want you scared of man. You need to be scared of the Messiah.